The inner rings fit behind the piston rings on your hammer's piston and striker. The metal rings support and apply pressure to the composite piston rings. Over time, the inner rings can compress, causing a loss of tension on the piston rings. This can cause poor compression and weak hammer performance. Replacing the inner rings is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the barrel from the gearbox. The barrel is secured with 4 bolts. Now I'll remove the pin. Now I'll remove the striker from the barrel. Now I'll remove the piston ring from both the piston and the striker. With the piston rings removed, now I can remove the inner rings. Now I can install the new inner rings. First the striker. I want to be careful that I don't expand the ring too much, or I can crack it. And then onto the piston. And now I'll reinstall the piston rings. I'll slide the ring into the groove on the striker and then onto the piston. Next, I'll reinstall the striker into the barrel. I install the striker so the flat face is pointing out. I'll compress the piston ring as I slide it into the barrel. And now I'll reinstall the wrist pin. I'll align the piston with the connecting rod and insert the wrist pin. Now I can reinstall the barrel onto the gearbox. I'll align the piston with the cylinder and compress the piston ring as the piston goes into the cylinder. I'll secure the barrel with the bolts. And that's how you can install new inner rings in your hammer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.